Hey guys, have you ever wondered how this AI agent can help us to check compliant status report automatically? We are going to understand the same thing in this short video. So in next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to simply explain how this AI agent paired with this LangChain and AWS CloudTrail deliver human readable insight from raw AWS logs, and all through this possible via this simple Swagger UI interface. Let's understand it. Alright guys, let's break down the each services one by one. So first of all, the user checks the compliance status using this Swagger UI and user submit their query. Now this MCP server, here I'm using the Flask API as a MCP server. This MCP server receives the user query and it forwards the query to the appropriate tool. Now this tool coordinate with the AWS CloudTrail and filter out the relevant event. Now, after that, then these relevant events then pass to this AI agent, which performs the reasoning and context handling. Then this AI agent, here I am using LangChain as a AI agent. Now this AI agent collaborates with the LLM, and here LLM I am using OpenAI as a LLM. So this AI agent collaborates with the OpenAI LLM to convert the raw log data into human-friendly response. And finally, the user receives the output, the summarized output via this Swagger UI. So this is the whole process, and that's how we can leverage the AI agent to check the compliant status automatically. Alright guys, now it's time for testing, and this is my Swagger UI interface. So first I am going to run the command, and I'm going to mostly check it out that whether today is there any failed login attempt made or not. Okay, let's see that. So I am passing the command here. I'm checking search for today failed IAM and root login attempt in audit logs. Okay, then execute it here, and we wait for the final result. So currently it is checking the CloudTrail logs. So here we can see that 200 code means it was successful. Okay, that's good news. It seems like our security measures are working well. Is there anything else you would like to discuss? So this response is coming from the LLM. Okay, OpenAI LLM, which summarize the text and saying that there is no any failed login attempt made today. Okay, now in second scenario, we are going to see the failed login attempt. So I'm going to make some failed login attempt and then we'll track it out whether it is getting trashed or not. Okay. Perfect guys. So now I am going to make some failed login attempt, and this is one of the user which I have created in my AWS account, and I'm trying right now the some failed login attempts, and then we'll track it out whether it is getting tracked in CloudTrail logs or not. Okay, and then we can pull the records from this Swagger UI. Okay, so let me make some failed login attempts here, and then I give some random password. Okay, one failure. Let's try one more time. I just give some random password, so the login should be failed. And second attempt, let's do one more time. So we will have a couple of events captured in CloudTrail. Okay, perfect. Now wait for 2-3 minutes and then we track it into the CloudTrail logs. Perfect, guys. Let's check this out whether the failed login attempt is captured or not. So we go here again, run, then click on try it out, give the input. And here I am saying that search for failed login attempt in the audit logs. Okay, execute it. And we see here the response. So here, this is the response which we get is 200. That is okay. Okay. Now here we got the response. According to the audit log, there have been total of 9 failed logins attempt today. Now just I'm highlighting this number, 6 from root users and 3 from IAM users. So basically I tried few failed attempt from the root user as well. Okay, and 3 from IAM user. So it is giving the exact count how many times the root user failed to log in, how many times the IAM user failed to log in, right? So yeah, this is how that you can build the AI assisted compliance checks, and you can do the automations where you can integrate the MCP server tools, AI agent, and OpenAI LLM. Okay guys, so in this sessions majorly I covered each and every component, and then we have seen that how we can integrate all these components like MCP server, AI agent, CloudTrail tools, LLM like OpenAI, and after integrations how we can build a smart AI assisted compliance checker. And finally we tested out through the Swagger UI. Now in next move I'm going to practically cover all these entire sessions on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, the learning destinations, and if you haven't yet subscribed it, then do subscribe right now, and you can watch my previous videos as well, which are majorly coming from cloud, DevOps, AI, ML, IoT, and data science. Thank you so much for watching this, guys.